So I think if I'm wrong, I'm off by 1 hour. Check phone.
I understand. You're excited because you will move. You like California or not Philadelphia? Because your wife like California, so you have to move, right?
I went to school in California.
Huh?
I lived in California for 3 years.
Well, you mean for what you're younger, you mean that?
I lived there for 3 years.
California? Or go on a tourist tour? And there, so you get to know your wife, huh? No? You say you stay there 3 years. How many years? Maybe 20 years ago? How long ago?
15 years ago.
15 years ago? Wow, we go at first at the beginning you live in New York, but
California for
no. At the beginning with your family. Company?
no, Philadelphia.
Before you told me you live in Queens of
Brooklyn.
Brooklyn.
That was after California.
And then second go to California. And then go to Philadelphia. And then